For this example, if a regular polygon has exterior angles of 45 degrees each, how many sides does the polygon have? So what we need to remember here is that the sum of exterior angles is always equal to 360 degrees. So we want to find out the number of sides of the polygon from the value of each of its exterior angles. So simply put, we can say here that the number of sides is equal to 360 degrees divided by the size of each exterior angle. So the number of sides is going to be 360 degrees divided by 45 degrees. And this is going to give us 8. So this polygon is going to have 8 sides. We can say that's an octagon.